Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a side table with glass shelf. Okay, first of all we have to make basic shape of the side table with dimension around 400 and 400 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it up. We can push it up around 450 millimeter, or maybe we can push it more. We can push it more around 100 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just offset this line. Anyway, we can offset this line using offset tool. We can offset around 30. Then we can offset the another line around 30 also. Then we can push it to the back until the limit. Okay, and then we can move and duplicate this line to the little bit right side around 150 millimeter, and also this line again we can offset it to the another left side 150 millimeter also. Then we have to push it to the back with a push tool. Anyway, then we have to push back with a push tool. Then we can make it group, and we can make a glass shelf here with the rectangle. Anyway, then we can push it up. We can push it up around 8 millimeter only. And then we can make group, and we can push it to the another side of this edge. Anyway. Okay, we can push it to the another side. Okay, and then we can move it to the upper position. We can move to the any position as we want. Then we can use the wood material, and then we can select the glass material. We can use this material anyway, or we can set the opacity, and also we can select the another glass material to fill this edge of glass anyway. Okay, so it will be more realistic. So it will be more realistic enough for the glass itself anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.